Hey, John Kavakis here. This is my take, and we're going to talk today about a model you may be a little bit familiar with, the GLM 1968 Chrysler 300. Now, by the late 60s, the Chrysler 300 became a little bit of a shadow of itself. The letter series were gone and everything, but still the top of the line Chrysler 300 two-door coupe was a stunning car, really beautiful car. Now, I got to be honest with you, back when that design first came out, I remember seeing them on the street, that reverse kink on the roof line and everything. I wasn't sure that I liked them, but I was always drawn to the Chrysler, in particular the 300, because of the interiors. Now, I look back on that, I look at the models now, I see some of these at shows and everything, and I got to tell you something, that design has aged well. The car is low, it's long, it's wide, it's got little details on it that everywhere you look there's something else that kind of draws your eye to it. I really come to like the design, and I liked GLM's 300 when they first came out with it, the 68 model. They came out in two different colors, it's sea foam green and sky blue poly. Great colors, but they didn't really pop all that much. I mean, the finishes were great and everything. The models looked fantastic. So I turned to Dave Gilbert at TOYCARGEEK. Now, last year in Chicago, we got Chicago coming up in a couple of weeks. Dave had these two models on display, and we were all eager to get them in our hands. But then we had the problems with the tariff and production and all that sort of thing, and they just never made it stateside. But now they're in stock. And I'll tell you something, Dave's got taste in colors. He's got two limited edition colors, 80 units each, only 80 units of each, in formal black with a stunning red interior, and in burgundy poly with a stunning white cream colored interior. Really beautiful colors, and these models pop. I'm excited to show them to you. I'm going to get them out of the package, get them on the turntable, and I want to show you the details. I think you're going to love it as much as I do.
So here they are, and you can see these colors just pop. The 300 was always a little bit more of a gentleman's express, and the more conservative colors really lend to the design. They made this car in a bright red, a couple other bright colors, but these colors here, this burgundy and this black, really make the car stand out, and I think with the contrasting interiors, they just pop. But it's in the details that these things shine. The design is clean, the details are sharp. There's not a flaw anywhere on this model. Look at the work on this grille. They've even got the red stripe in the middle of it, but the beautiful texture on the grille, very realistic looking. The wheels are amazing, but look at the trim on the front fender. Very clean, very well picked out. Even the side marker light in the front bumper is nearly perfect. Look at that. It's just absolutely realistic and stunning. The back clip is the same way. Take a look at the realism of the backup lights, the lensing on the tail lights and everything. Hyper realistic, but if you take an even closer look, you see how minute the details are. The rivets on the rear bumper, the side marker lights, the chrome trim around the whole back end. It's just absolutely amazing, and I love when a model demands that you look closer at it to appreciate it. Here's the interior. You can see the dash is very well picked out. The console is picked out well with that Chrysler gear shift lever that we all know. Steering wheel is very realistic. Take a look at the side panels on the door. And it's not just the side panels. Look at the seats. They're hyper realistic. It's just a beautiful job on the interior. And I love, and for me, an interior is a make or break. It's got to be accurate. It's got to look realistic. They do a really good job right here. Here's another look at the interior. You can see the console a little bit better here and how realistic the steering wheel looks. Look at those back seats, just wonderfully done. One more look at the detail on the grille. This is one of the great grills of the late 60s. Chrysler did a fantastic job on it, and GLM has done a great job of capturing it. Final look at these on the turntable. I think the camera has captured the depth of the finish really well. These are beautiful models. They're amazingly well finished, and I think Dave's just picked fantastic colors for them. They absolutely pop. You're going to love having this on your shelf.
Okay, there they are. Don't you agree? Those colors are amazing. And I tell you, the finishes, you know, you saw the finish. They're deep. They're incredible. Now, these are $139. You can get them at TOYCARGEEK.com. They are exclusive colors to Toy Car Geek, so you can't get them anywhere else. And it's $139 plus shipping. It's a really great deal for something that's very limited in its production. So if you have any questions, you can email toycargeek.com, or you can just go to the website and place your order. I don't know how many he has left, but I know they've been going fast. So I hope you like this model as much as I do. Hey, thanks for watching the video. I really appreciate it. This channel's doing fantastic, and that's all because of the support and encouragement I get from you folks. So thanks for watching. If you liked the video, give me a like down there in the right-hand corner. That helps the channel. I even enjoy the comments. You know, I asked a couple of weeks ago, well, if you could weigh in and tell me where you are. Let me know where you're watching from. I'd like to see where all of our folks come from. We're running right around 1,250 members now, and that's pretty exciting. For me, that's pretty exciting. Hey, thanks for tuning in. I'll be back with more videos sometime real soon. John Kavakis with My Take, signing out.